Hello everyone, it's your graphics Uni. So today we are going to do grunge effect in Photoshop. Firstly, take a new file and then create it. Now take a photo. Click on Ctrl+J. Now right click on the layer and click on the convert to smart object. Now go to filter and click on blur and then click on motion blur and set the details and click OK. Now click this and take the brush tool. Make sure that the foreground color is black and brush it accordingly. Now right click on the layer and click on rasterize type. Go to the filter and click on the filter gallery. Now select the graphic pen and set the details. Now add one more filter and change it to grain. Arrange the setting and click OK. Now add a new layer and go to edit option and click fill. Now set it and click OK. Now go to the filter and go to the filter gallery. Now click on the halftone pattern and set the settings and click OK. Now change it to overlay and click on the mask. Now take the brush tool and brush it accordingly. And boom, it's done. Like and subscribe for more such videos.